inflammation occurs in the blood vessels that can cause blood vessels and that too can contribute to muscle pains.
Dr. Kataka goes on to explain that the petechiae that developed soon after Cindy's agonizing leg pain set in are classic signs of the disease.
There's inflammation in the small blood vessels within the skin. In abnormalities.
The disease is often unpredictable. The manner in which Cindy's symptoms mysteriously appeared and disappeared doesn't surprise Dr. Kataka at all.
Cindy's symptoms would wax and wane, and that's often the nature of this disease, and that's what makes it so
to damage Cindy's kidneys.
inflammation develops in these blood vessels. Still perfectly normal. So what we were seeing are just very early signs that the kidneys were infected.
Because I had good kidneys.
It's now all too clear just how lucky Cindy was to have received her diagnosis. The disease did any further damage.
If Cindy had not been diagnosed, she could have developed kidney failure.
Oh.
As Cindy struggles to grasp the gravity of her diagnosis, she can't help but wonder why Dr. Kataka was the only physician able to recognize the lethal disorder.
NPA is considered a disease. 1 out of 100,000 people will get this disorder. NPA affects multiple organs, but sometimes patients only present with one symptom. So until they develop a constellation of symptoms, it's sometimes hard to diagnose.
But even with a positive diagnosis in hand, the Webbers are devastated to learn that there is no definitive cure.
Actually, the disease I had was potentially life-threatening, but it didn't have a cure. It was very, very bothersome for me. The concern was, now we know what it is, but what's going to happen to me?
Dr. Kataka comes up with a two-pronged treatment plan to deal with Cindy's inflammation and her overactive white blood cells.
The treatment for Cindy involved using 2 drugs, prednisone and cyclophosphamide. Prednisone is a very potent anti-inflammatory agent, and both prednisone and cyclophosphamide suppress your immune system.
Cyclophosphamide is also used in chemotherapy to kill cancer cells.
Chemotherapy are serious drugs. On top of it, that particular drug has some significant side effects. Dr. Kataka told me that it was necessary, that I had a pretty serious disease.
As long as Cindy will be suppressed, and she'll be vulnerable to infections. In addition, the cyclophosphamide itself is so strong, it could do damage to healthy parts of her body.
The worst case scenario is death. And there are other scenarios that could happen that I didn't like. You can lose your kidneys and have to have a kidney